Hi, my name is Bob Morton, Training Director here at Learner Driving Centres. Thank you for considering us as your training provider. What I'd like to do is to show you our state-of-the-art facility here at Pontefract and run you through some of the options that are open to you as you train to become an ADI with LDC. Hi and welcome to LDC. This is our state-of-the-art facility. I'll give you a quick guided tour. This side of the building is the franchise department. And this is the telesales team who will be taking the calls from the 0800 number and handling inquiries via the web to get your business started. The middle segment of the building here is our car department. They'll be dealing with helping find you a rental or a car purchase option or helping you to organise to use your own car, whichever suits. To the right hand side of the building is my department, the training department. We'll be taking care of you until you're qualified and then we'll pass you over to the franchise department. What we're going to do now is to take you upstairs and show you the rest of the facility, the classroom where you'll be spending your time doing the workshops, etc. So welcome to our state-of-the-art classroom facility. This is where we deliver the workshops and work groups and a lot of the training that we do, not just for driving instructor training, but we also conduct CPD sessions, continued professional development for our instructors and our instructor trainers. At the moment, the room is set out in workshop layout, where I will be stood at the front, probably with some slides here, delivering. But we can make it into smaller units, a different kind of classroom facility, or we can make it really cosy and do just really small groups. The key thing is that what we believe in here is the delivery of quality training that's designed to help you become the best that it's possible for you to be. We're constantly evolving. We never stand still. We're always looking at the product. Can we improve it? How did that work? What could we do differently? If we did it differently, what would we gain from it? And it's through this constant process of reflection and review that we make the course what it is. And you have an input in that, of course, as a course attendee. We're always finding out from you what worked, what didn't work. So our job really, we believe in quality and we want you to join this quality team. So in order to make that transition easy, we've got to help to try and turn you into the best individual as possible for you to be. Delivering technically good driving lessons is okay, but if you couple with that excellence of customer service, and I emphasise the word excellence, good customer service is simply not enough. We aim to be in the top 10%, perhaps even the top 5% of the instructors in the UK. When you're in there, you're getting job satisfaction, you'll be doing the job at a great level, you'll be servicing your customers well, you'll be helping them to grow, and you'll be helping your business to grow. Because that's the future blood of your business, word of mouth. Excellent customer service, well, you know how that works, don't you? So my job is to have my trainers help you along that path. We're going to show you the resources that we use to do that, and I'm also going to outline one or two options, some choices that you can make along the way. To help better inform you, and to give you a little bit of a flavour about what it is that we do and who we are. So let's have a look now at the materials that we employ and the course options that are open to you. On the desk in front of me are our open learning materials. Now, the two main binders here, they're to help you learn how to put lessons together, your workbooks if you like, and they'll teach you about the standard that's applied on the tests and how you're going to meet that criteria. We also have workshops that we run, and you'll get a workbook for the workshop to jot your progress through that. We have the Highway Code, our Bible, and the DVSA's publication, the official guide to driving, the essential skills. A presenter for more detailed explanations or descriptions, and the LD system at the heart of everything we do. The idea here is that the learner driver will empower themselves. If they watch the video, do the study, they'll save at least 25% on their lesson time, meaning it'll cost them less money. Now, why would you make everybody take less lessons? Isn't that commercial suicide? Well,
Not really, because they'll tell more people, and that's the lifeblood of your business, because you don't have to advertise for referral work. And the last question they ever ask is it still X pounds per hour? All of this material is available in a hard copy like this, but it's also available on a unique online hub. And the hub is something that our students are really taken to, and it's becoming more and more popular. But the choice is yours as to which way you do it. You could do it one way or the other, or you could even do a mix and match. So I look forward to seeing you in one of my classrooms or one of my workshops, or even in my car at some point in the future. Until then, thanks for listening.